Beyond the Horizon, an inspirational journey. In a quiet village nestled between lush valleys and rolling hills lived a young dreamer named Robin. He was known throughout the village for his unwavering belief in the power of possibilities. One day, as he looked out at the distant horizon, his gaze fell upon a majestic mountain peak that seemed to touch the sky. Its towering height seemed insurmountable, but Robin's heart remained undeterred. Robin embarked on a mission to conquer the seemingly impossible. With his tattered notebook in hand, he began sketching plans, formulating ideas, and gathering information about the mountain. People from the village chuckled at his audacity, but Robin's determination was unshakable. "Nothing is impossible," he repeated to himself like a mantra. Robin sought wisdom from the elders of the village, who shared stories of their own struggles and victories. They reminded him that every great achievement starts with a single step, and it's the journey that shapes the individual. Fueled by their words, Robin set out on his adventure. Robin's journey was a series of challenges. He trekked through dense forests, crossed rushing rivers, and faced unexpected obstacles. Yet every hurdle he conquered only strengthened his resolve. With each step, the impossible seemed a little more possible. At last, Robin stood at the base of the towering mountain he had dreamed of conquering. It loomed above him, an imposing monolith of rock and ice. Doubts whispered in his mind, but he silenced them with his unyielding belief. "Nothing is impossible," he reminded himself, his voice echoing through the silent landscape. After days of arduous climbing, Robin reached the summit. The world lay spread out before him in breathtaking splendor. Tears of triumph filled his eyes as he realized that his unwavering belief had carried him to the pinnacle of achievement. The words, "Nothing is impossible," reverberated in his heart. As Robin descended the mountain, he carried with him not only the accomplishment of conquering the impossible, but also a newfound wisdom. He had learned that the journey was as important as the destination, and the challenges he faced had molded him into a stronger and more resilient individual. Back in the village, Robin's triumphant return inspired not just the villagers, but people from neighboring lands as well. His story became a testament to the power of determination, reminding everyone that with unwavering belief and relentless effort, nothing truly is impossible. Robin continued to inspire, sharing his story with others. His words ignited the flames of ambition in countless hearts, reminding them that the path to greatness begins with the belief that nothing is impossible.